Hello friends, today I am going to make a chicken curry which is different from my usual way. For this I have used all these ingredients. Let's see what I have used. For that I am using cumin seed, black pepper, coriander seeds, red chilies, garlic, ginger, cardamom seeds, cloves, bay leaves and cinnamon sticks. And also I have chopped 1.5 medium size onion. Now here I am adding all the ingredients in the grinder jar for making a masala paste except the onions. I have given all the ingredient list in the description box below. In the pan I have taken around 5 tablespoons of mustard oil. When the oil is nice and hot, I am adding whole spices and the bay leaf. How the whole spices are sizzling in the hot oil. This is the time to add the chopped onions. I have already chopped the onions. Now I am adding the onions. Onions are around 1.5 onion, that is medium sized onion. I have already chopped, and we need to cook the onions until the golden brown in color. The chicken curry really takes lot of patience to cook. In the medium flame we need to cook, and in this way if you will cook, it turns out really delicious. The onion is ready and it's time to add the masala paste. Masala paste we have already prepared before, and now we need to cook this way, like frying in the oil for some time so that the oil will ooze out. And look, the masala paste is ready, oil is oozing out, and it's time to add chopped tomatoes. Chopped tomatoes needs to again cook nicely mashed and mixed with the spices. This is the color, and the tomatoes are nicely mashed and cooked. Now it is time to add our chicken. Chicken I have already marinated 2 hours before with 2 tablespoons of yogurt and 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder. This is the slightly different way of my usual way of cooking. In my usual way I normally don't add yogurt, but sometimes I add the yogurt and marinate it before cooking. This increases the flavor and taste. Cook this way. This will give you a slightly different in taste. Some days we crave for food which is different in taste. So this is the different kind of recipe from usual way. Now I am mixing chicken with the spices and masala paste. I have added 2.5 teaspoon of salt and 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder to the masala paste after adding tomato. After mixing it, I am going to cook it with covering with the lid. After 3 to 4 minutes, again I am removing the water oozed out from the chicken, and this way of cooking allows the water to come out from the chicken in the same time to become the chicken to tender and cooked. But we have to again cook it this way for around 20 to 25 minutes until all our water dries out, and in every 3-4 minutes we need to remove the lid and saute the chicken. It will take around 20 to 25 minutes to all the water to dry. Look, our chicken, the water is getting dried off and oil is starting to oozing out. This way it will also give the nice color And here if you want you can add more red chili powders, but I am avoiding the red chili powders today here. Now the chicken is almost ready. Oil is already oozed out, and now I am adding the water. I have already warmed around 1.5 cup of water. It depends on how thick or thin gravy you want. Accordingly you can add and adjust the water content. After adding water, I am going to allow the curry to boil for 2 minutes. It required to boil for some time. After boiling, we need to allow it to cook in the simmer for around 7 to 8 minutes. It's nicely boiling now. So after 2 minutes, I am going to reduce the flame. See, after sitting for around 7 to 8 minutes, the curry looks ready. It's ready for plating. Nice color came. Today I am going to eat this curry with roti. You can eat with paratha, rice, pulao, whatever your preferring is. Thank you for watching my video. Please like, subscribe and share.